Let's learn how to convert whole numbers in base 10 to base 3. Example, convert 17 base 10 to base 3. Solution. We divide repeatedly by 3 until further division is no longer possible. And how do we do that? We draw a table. The number you are converting, which is 17, place that at your right hand side. Then the base you are converting into, which is 3, place it at the left hand side. Then we start dividing. 3 goes in 17, that's 5. 3 times 5, you have 15. When you take away 15 from this, what remainder do you have? You have a remainder of 2. Keep dividing by 3. We have 3 goes in 5, we have 1, remainder 2. 3. 3 goes in 1, that's 0, remainder 1. Take the remainders upwards. So therefore, our 17 base 10 equals 122 base 3. And that's how to convert 17 base 10 to base 3.